Choosing the right oil can indeed be confusing with so many conflicting health claims, from cooking to salads and even for overall health. The options seem endless. Healthy oils play a vital role in our diet, but choosing the right ones can be tricky. Cold pressed, these oils are extracted at low temperatures, around 49 degrees Celsius, preserving their nutritional value and flavor. Omega 3 rich. Omega 3 fatty acids are essential for reducing inflammation and supporting overall health. Flax seeds oil is a great source, but it should not be used for cooking due to its heat instability. Virgin or extra virgin. These oils undergo minimal processing, retaining more nutrients and flavor. Extra virgin oil, for example, contains antioxidants that help prevent inflammation. Olive oil. Contrary to popular belief, olive oil is suitable for cooking with a smoking point of 190 degrees Celsius. It also offers anti-inflammatory benefits. Next is ghee. With a smoking point of 252 degrees Celsius, ghee is rich in saturated fats and beneficial for digestion, immunity, and heart health. Rice bran oil, extracted from the outer coating of rice grains. This oil contains vitamin E and is ideal for high heat cooking. Coconut oil. With a smoking point of 204 degrees Celsius, coconut oil is heat resistant and offers various health benefits, especially for hair and skin. Peanut oil, high in antioxidant and heart healthy fats. Peanut oil adds a delicious flavor to salads and cooking. Now the last one, mustard oil. Commonly used in Indian cuisine, mustard oil has a high smoking point and is rich in monounsaturated fats, making it suitable for cooking. Lastly, be cautious with refined oils, which undergo harsh processing methods and may lack nutrients. Choose oils wisely to optimize your health and well-being. Stay healthy, stay happy.